Hello and welcome back for another Quant price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Quant chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Quant is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to trade within my descending channel, where you can see that at the time of this recording we have seen a massive breakout out of the channel to the upper side, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up. And my next target areas for the breakout to the upside is at around the $106.7 mark, where we will be facing an area of resistance. And if by any chance we manage to break through that key area of resistance, then I'll be expecting to see a successful retest before we can continue gearing up to our next areas at around the $110.9 mark, where we have our next significant area of resistance. And that is what you can expect here on the Quant chart on the short-term point of view, basing it on these chart pattern right here, and giving you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures. I can zoom out here on the 4-hour chart, where you can see that after seeing our bear market slow down there at around the $40.1 mark, we saw a 5-wave structure to the upside of this Elliot structure right here in blue, where we saw the wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $229.5 mark, in a move that completed the formation of this first wave to the upside. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I came up with the minimum retracement area for this wave 2 between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.78. And in the corrective structure for that second wave, I have also been expecting to see an ABC corrective structure also play out, where you can see that I'm terming this as the wave A, then a wave B, and I'm now expecting one more leg down in the formation of that wave C. And if by any chance we get rejected at key areas of resistances over here, see another pullback to the lower side, and maybe at some point we lose significant areas of support, then there are high chances that Quant could give us one more leg down in the formation of these higher Elliott wave count 2. We also need to have in mind that in case we continue seeing higher prices manage to break above significant swing highs, then from that point I'll start to sketch out the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, and assume that the low that we made at around the $94.4 mark is the low for these higher Elliott wave count 2, and whatever we have been seeing over here was the start of an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3. But as long as we continue holding below significant areas of resistances like the $110.9 mark, I'm still focusing on the downside, expecting one more leg down in the formation of these higher Elliott wave count 2. And if that plays out, that will be another perfect entry to get back into Quant to ride that massive pump in the formation of that wave 3. Also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 54 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support higher prices. So taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.